Almost all of it is on this, and that should come away pretty easily. So I'm going to use my dough scraper, wet my hands a little. Just fold it into the middle. Now we've got 4 turns to do on this, and they're going to last every 30 minutes. Well, actually, every 45 minutes we're going to do it. So take some cling film, put over this guy, and let it sit. Alexa, set my timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so it's been 45 minutes, and we've had a chance for this to sit and ferment and to develop some strength. And we're going to do a fold. Now, this can be done in the bowl, where you pick it up and fold it, pick it up and fold it, but I'm going to try something a little bit different today. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil down on my counter. Now, this is going to be hard to get up. You're going to always see oily streaks after this. But anyway, vinegar. So wet hands. So this is known as a lamination. So I'm going to come out like that. Look how strong that gluten is in such a wet dough. Fold over half, stretch, fold over again, and then back in the bowl upside down. Always thinking about the top. Which one do you want to make the top? You don't want to make the top of your bread where the seam is. So always put the top up, seam on the bottom when you're doing this stuff. Now if you're going into a couche or baguettes or something else, then you may put it in face up. All right. And I wanted, we've talked about pre-ferments. We've talked about bigas, poolish, sponge. This is another one. It's a pre-ferment. All of them actually are pre-ferments. If you think about it, they all are a part of the dough that you allow to ferment prior to you making the dough, and that gives you flavor and character and crispy crusts. It does an amazing job, and you can do it with any bread. So if you're making bread and you want to add to the flavor of that bread, take a portion of the flour, maybe 150, 200 grams, and the same thing with your water. Take it away from your original recipe, mix them together, and be careful when you do that, remember to subtract that from the original recipe.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call Apple iPhone, mobile? Who would you like to call? I don't see Apple in your contacts. Who would you like to call?